Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to destination for all things grooming and self-care. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to take your grooming routine to the next level. We're reviewing the MANSCAPED Premier Package 5.0 Ultra. This package includes a suite of grooming tools designed for men, from a trimmer to ball deodorant and everything in between. Let's take a closer look at what this package brings to the table. To start, the MANSCAPED Premier Package 5.0 Ultra is a comprehensive grooming kit with a focus on male hygiene. At the heart of the package is the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra, which features two interchangeable skin-safe blade heads, one for trimming and one for a foil shave. You also get a variety of combs for customizable lengths, ranging from 1.4 millimeters to 12 millimeters, making it suitable for your groin, body, and even back hair. Plus, it's wireless, USB-C charging compatible, and includes a travel pouch for on-the-go grooming. The set also includes the Shears 3.0, a sleek, travel-friendly nail care kit, the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant to keep you fresh all day, the Ultra Premium Body Wash, and Crop Soother to calm the skin after a shave. Having used the MANSCAPED Premier Package 5.0 Ultra for a few weeks now, I can confidently say it's a solid option for anyone serious about their grooming routine. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra is a standout. Its skin-safe technology really does prevent nicks and cuts, which is crucial when you're working in sensitive areas. The different blade heads and adjustable combs allow for a precise trim, whether you're looking for a close shave or a longer look. The USB-C charging is also a nice touch, as it's compatible with modern devices and charges quickly. However, I did find that the device is a bit bulkier than some competitors, so it might not be the best fit for those seeking a super compact trimmer. Now moving on to the Shears 3.0. This nail kit is surprisingly comprehensive for a travel set. The stainless steel tools feel durable, and the hard case keeps everything securely in place. It's definitely a nice addition, but it might not be as essential for someone who already has a solid nail care routine. The Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant lives up to its claims, keeping everything smooth and fresh without feeling greasy or heavy. It's definitely a standout feature for daily use. The Ultra Premium Body Wash is cooling and refreshing, and it really does help balance oil on your skin, which is great after a workout or long day. As for the Crop Soother, it's a must-have if you tend to get irritated skin after shaving. It soothes and hydrates, and the aloe and colloidal oats provide that spa-like feel. Pros: the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra offers exceptional precision with its interchangeable heads and adjustable combs, while the skin-safe technology helps you avoid nicks. The Crop Preserver and Crop Soother are great for keeping everything fresh and calm, especially for sensitive areas. Plus, the entire set is travel-friendly and designed with high-quality materials. Cons: the trimmer is a bit bulky, which might be less convenient for those who prioritize portability. The nail kit, while nice, may be overkill for someone who already has a solid set of tools at home. When it comes to value for money, the MANSCAPED Premier Package 5.0 Ultra comes at a premium price, but it does deliver a lot for that price tag. Considering the quality of the trimmer, the thoughtful design of the grooming tools, and the extra features like the ball deodorant and body wash, it's a package that's well worth the investment if you're committed to top-tier grooming. In comparison to similar products on the market, Manscaped's set stands out because of its thoughtful inclusion of items like the Crop Preserver and Crop Soother, which aren't typically found in other grooming kits. The trimmer itself also offers more versatility with its interchangeable heads and customizable length settings compared to some of the competition. The build quality of the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra feels robust and durable. The materials used are solid, and the design feels like it can withstand daily use without falling apart. As for longevity, I haven't had it long enough to provide detailed data, but the construction feels like it can last a while with proper care. As for customer support, I didn't have to contact Manscaped directly, but their reputation is generally positive, and they're known for being responsive to customer inquiries. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other good grooming kits out there, but if you want something all-inclusive with the focus on male hygiene, it's tough to beat the MANSCAPED Premier Package 5.0 Ultra. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, you could opt for a simpler trimmer and ball deodorant set, but you'll be missing out on the extra perks. In conclusion, the MANSCAPED Premier Package 5.0 Ultra is a solid, high-quality grooming kit for men who want precision, convenience, and a well-rounded grooming experience. While the price is on the higher side, the performance and thoughtful design make it worth considering if you're serious about self-care. It's definitely suited for those who want a full grooming routine in one package, but if you're just looking for a basic trimmer, there are more affordable options available. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other grooming enthusiasts can also find this video. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to get your own MANSCAPED Premier Package 5.0 Ultra in the comments below. If you already own this grooming kit, let me know what you think. And as always, goodbye for now, keep looking sharp, and stay beautyistic.